What's up, guys? Video number, I don't know anymore. Tonight we're going to work on the Fender.
Should be 9.
9? I don't know. I got lost.
I don't know. We've been videoing through the week, getting other stuff.
I got lost, okay?
But yeah.
So tonight we're going to work on the Fender. We're going to shave down, show you how all that is. Last week we did the lift. Some people watched, some people didn't. And we got a lot of comments about that dog kennel. I'll send over some pictures to the editor, Austin.
Yeah.
To put on a video so everyone can see it, so I don't have to go through and try to figure out how to send them to you.
I'll put them in the screen on the video. I'll just show the couple snapshots that you got. Just as part of the video.
Yeah, we're gonna break out some new tools tonight and try to hopefully make this Fender work. If not, it's gonna suck for the night.
Yeah, got plenty of work. But got this here right angle grinder sander. Grind all the glaze, fiberglass glaze, and paint off. And then the air saw to cut. I not sure why we were told to get one of those, but I'm assuming because they're a little more accurate, maybe. I don't know. But anyways.
So it's our first time doing it. Take it easy on us. And let's get it. And you're rolling.
All right, so while we're waiting for the painter's tape to get here, again, I'll explain. We're gonna cut a little bit out of here on both sides, try to squeeze it in so it fits between the frame like we explained to you guys before. Obviously, if the little bit that we start with doesn't work, we'll cut a little bit more out and squeeze a little bit more together. But I did want to show you guys.
An inch at a time.
Yeah, there you go.
In this case, will be half an inch at a time.
Did want to show you. Oh my God. 3 inches, 1 inch at a time.
Oh, it's going to be less than that. Come on.
Anyways.
Got to make it last more than an hour.
Oh, wow. Anyways. You done?
No.
Whatever. Wanted to show you guys. You could get my face in here too.
Oh, you know, no one wants to see that ugly thing.
Oh, here we go.
You haven't showered. You got dirt in your ears.
Just look at the Fender then.
You're talking about the Fender, so I'm going to point it right there.
Wanted to show you guys what a quality paint job this last paint was. I mean, look at that. It's just, who in the world paints like that? How can you be happy giving somebody a product with paint that just peeled off like that? I mean, look at that. It's like a freaking sticker. And I know it's not a sticker because obviously it come off in a bigger piece.
Because he's a sticker apprentice.
At least they did the body work on it. Yeah.
The girls want to be part of it.
I get that.
Okay, I just
Go. It's literally like a sticker. Hopefully. And it better well be a better paint job when we go and get this thing painted. Because if I get a paint job like this, they're getting it back and they're repainting the whole freaking thing.
The gorilla will get very angry.
Yes, gorilla angry. But look, it's just peeling away. Anyways, we'll film putting the tape on and cut you guys back on in a little bit when we get the tape back. But yeah.
Toodles for now. And action. That one was weak.
It shouldn't be peeling off is what I'm saying. Especially big pieces like that. Like, holy crap.
It was rattle can.
I'm starting to think. Yeah, anyways. Ready?
Go. It's not gonna work.
No, it's not.
It's not gonna work.
Not like I wanted it to.
No, it's not. It's not gonna work. Still not gonna work. And go. And our first visitor of the night, run!
Gotta get all that gray off.
All of it?
Yeah. Maybe some pepper. Got safety glasses and the gloves because fiberglass gross. Anyways, keep going. So far they have a mask on.
Haven't died yet.
Nothing don't go straight for nothing. Alright guys, so got that little sliver cut out. Got a little thick in there in some spots, but like we say, it above. And I think we're gonna be able to just push it down in like that and then just smooth it over right there. So just take the top of the fender, go over and into there. So, and then once we do that on the top side, we can go through and grind whatever sits down here, this extra area that will be pointing out. Just cut it off so don't rub on nothing tire or rim wise, and then that should do it. Should have plenty of room to fit. But yeah, what are you getting set up to do, Ken?
I'm gonna start grinding down these edges, try to make it a little bit more flat, not so wavy.
Okay, looks good. So yeah, it's kind of hard to use that little air saw, but it works. I think it did a lot better than a Sawzall would do. But anyways, he'll do that. And we'll put you guys back on. So like we said on this side, just gonna do that one single cut. Should do the same thing. And of course, we abandoned the safety equipment because, you know, who cares?
Haven't done roll.
All right. So we got done cutting the fender here. Made a big mistake. Should have just cut a single line down this side, but it a buff, right, Ken? It a buff.
Send it.
As you can see, just the one line here, and then the giant gap over here. But it's gonna work anyways, inside the frame. Need a good body man. Like I said, if the body man can't get it done, then I guess we need a new body man. But you gotta squeeze in the sides to fit in about 8 1/4. So that's pretty much it for tonight. The camera crew here needs to work a backstage a little bit, make things work, keep you a little suspensed so you don't know what's coming next. But yeah, that's that. And Tuesday or Wednesday, we'll do the prepping and maybe the fiberglass, and probably. We're not going to give you that today, obviously. So stay tuned for the next one. All the links will be in the description as always. Like and subscribe. Turn your bell on so you don't miss a video. Hit up the website. I don't know what you're laughing at. It's weird because we got an audience tonight.
Yeah.
Nope. Not used to talking on camera with more than just Kanan. But anyways. Website. They're on there. You have to order through Instagram though, because our online ordering is still not fixed. I'm working on it. But as you can see, we got hats. They're not embroidered yet. So just imagine the gear and skull embroidered right here. Those will be available soon. Huh?
What?
But yeah, the Fender's cut. I'll get you that one video in the midweek next week. So make sure you're here. Saying things over and over again. But yeah, we'll catch you next time.